Hey everybody, this is Shawn Cole Enterprises, Royalty Affiliate, checking in with you to giving you some more information on the new royalty updates that came down a little couple days ago. Um, I've pretty much been waiting on these updates to drop so I could drop to you. That's why you haven't seen me on my channel recently. But let's go over it. What you're seeing right now on my background is from my back office and on my landing pages. And basically what I did, I went to my landing pages, my back office. You'll see they have a click here for analytics, and this is where we at. As you see currently, I don't have any landing pages currently active attached to any pins. I know I'm a stickler. I got very comfortable using the Conversion Pros and OSP for my landing pages because it works very well with my team as far as team building, as far as makes it a little bit easier for me to share information with my team. But if you're a small business owner, these rolling landing pages really come in handy for you, and they serve the purpose exactly for what you need them to do. And now they're even better at that because now they're giving you more detailed information on exactly who is taking a look at your landing page. What we're going to do is you'll come here. If I had an active landing page, you'll see the clicks, you will see the demographics, the people that clicked, and the latest clicks. What I'm going to do here, we're going to switch and give you a detail of something that is actually active. Let me switch my screen out real fast so we can take a look at that. Hold on, give me 1 second. And here we go. What you see here now in my background is a simple screenshot of someone else's back office and exactly what it will look like when you have an active landing page, the information that you will see. You will see your latest clicks here, which will be here. Your latest clicks, you will see demographics as far as the location of where they came from. Um, you will see the source, the landing page where it came through at, the device that they were actually on, the location, and that's what they give you. And also, they also give you demographics as far as it was a male, female, if that information was available. So, like I said, all this is available now. It is live in your royalty back office. So, once again, another powerful upgrade coming from royalty that they're giving to their customers for free. So, like I said, they provide a lot of value for the minimum entry cost of $47 a month with a $77 deposit. Again, more value on top of value on top of value to help you grow your business and for you to have a very professional online presence so that you can reach where people are now. And everybody's shopping online. And that's where you want to meet them is online so that you can just start generating sales from your online website if you have one, or you could actually use this to give you an online presence. You know, our landing pages are very easy and simple to create. They give you a very professional looking presence online that will help you convert into leads and then eventually into sales. And that's what we're here for, is just putting money in your pocket. Again, this is Shawn Cole Enterprises. If you'd like more information about royalty, you could give me a call, 410-929-3390. You can reach out to me. My links will be in the description of this video for your convenience. I'm happy to talk to you again. Like I said, I've been very busy growing my team. I've been using different strategies locally here to reach out to business owners that have been very successful, and it's been keeping me very busy in this royalty business. So you would like to know exactly what it is I'm doing to connect with local business owners to sell the royalty product, just reach out to me. I'll be more than happy to share them with you and to give you more information so that you can be successful. Again, Shawn Cole Enterprises, Royalty Affiliate. You can reach me 410-929-3390. You would like to join Royalty again, that's $77 minimum entry price of $77 down, $47 a month. The links will be in the description of this video so you can take advantage with it. Also with my phone number, give me a call. I'll be more than happy to go over some things with you and to get you signed up. All right? You have a great day. Thank you for your time.